thing about beer I love is that it's kind of this art overlaid with some science. So I had this great job in brewing. I was working for this fabulous company and I really just decided that I wanted to go out on my own and wanted to start my own company. And Danny had always wanted to start her company but didn't know in what. And so we teamed up and started Two Birds. We obviously are Australia's first female-owned brewery.
When we first started, gender was never a factor. We didn't put it on any of our labelling to start with. We wanted people to really, drink our beer and appreciate it for a great beer before we went to market talking about the fact that we were female-owned.
The vision for Two Birds Brewing was always just to make really great, well-made, approachable beers, the kind of beers that we liked to drink and the kind of beers that we thought people would really get on board with as well.
We have an all-encompassing business here, so we're manufacturing, so we brew our own beer and then we sell it to our wholesale business, which sells it then to venues all around Australia.
Growth is a really challenging thing to be able to handle. We went from a company of 2 people, 2 birds, through to a company of 20 and our volumes were growing rapidly and just took a lot to be able to manage that.
So we started to do research online and look at what cloud-based systems were available, not only in the brewing industry, but manufacturing and wholesale businesses that were similar to ours. We came across NetSuite and it was really exciting to know that we could take our business into that next step and be able to have one system that we could apply to all elements of our business. Whether it's inventory levels or different price levels, all of the information is there and it's accurate in real time, so it allows us to make decisions, on the go. We can focus on the sales and growth of our business. Our business has grown about 30% year on year and NetSuite has allowed us to continue to do that, and now we have over 5,000 customers.
We like to innovate, we like to try different things and just have a play and have some fun with it. It's not brain surgery.
You've got to continually look forward in how your business is going to grow. You definitely can't stand still.
For us it's always onwards and upwards. We're always looking to do more, be better, be more efficient, make more beer, make better beer.
Having the support of NetSuite allows us to focus on innovation so we can see where to next.